Hi everyone, I'm Michael from Catholos, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how to spot 3 important warning signs of stress. So stress, you hear a lot about it, it's in our life, it's in our workplace, it's in our culture, and a very positive, proactive attitude towards stress can be one of the most important things that you can do to look after your health, the health of your family, the health of your friends, health of your work colleagues, the health of everybody. So the first one is sensitivity to sounds. Remember, this isn't just for you, this is for your family, your friends, children, work colleagues, anybody. If somebody's really sensitive to sound, you're boiling the kettle and they're like, that can be a really sure sign because your body's in high alert, it's sensitive to noise. The second one is an inability to do simple tasks. So it might be just making a cup of tea and you can't do it. It suddenly seems too difficult. That's a sign that your system or somebody else's system, they're just overloaded, it's saturated with stress, it can't even do the simple things. So an inability to do simple tasks is the second one. The third one is avoiding normal situations. When you're in stress, you're basically in survival mode, you're just trying to look after yourself, and a lot of it is done without even realising it. So if you find yourself or somebody you know saying, no, I'm not coming to that party tonight, or no, I'm not going to drive at that time of day because of the traffic, or no, actually I'm not going to do the shopping this week. What you're actually doing is you're narrowing down things to try and support yourself and trying to limit threats basically and say, I won't do that, I won't do that, I won't do that, to conserve your energy. But of course that's no life, is it? So if you find yourself or somebody else you know trying to avoid those normal everyday situations because they can't handle it, that's a real sign of stress. So remember, stress is important, it's normal, it's healthy, but too much of it, these 3 things will tell you. If you're oversensitive to sound, if you are not able to do simple things, and if you are avoiding normal situations. So remember, you're not on your own. You can get help from your family, your friends, your GP. I'd love to hear from you. There's plenty of things we can do to help you here at Catholos. So thanks for watching. Remember, keep an eye out on those, for not just for yourself, but for your loved ones. Thanks for watching.